Avoid mounting reinforcement or strike hardware too close to an electronic cipher lock so you do not interfere with sensors or wiring. When positioning hardware near an electronic cipher lock, first review the lock manufacturer installation manual for minimum clearances, wiring paths, and sensor locations, because each model can have different tolerances and electromagnetic sensitivities. Use non-magnetic fasteners and avoid running power or signal wires under strike plates or through the same hole as lock harnesses to prevent induced interference and chafing. Secure wires with clips at least 1/4 inch away from moving metal parts. If metal reinforcement plates or door edge guards are needed, measure and mark mounting locations on the door before drilling and temporarily hold hardware in place to perform a functional test of the lock keypad, backlight, and any electronic latch functions. When routing power, choose a dedicated low-voltage conduit or separate cable channel and keep the run as short as practical to reduce voltage drop and noise. Include a small service loop near the lock for future adjustments. For retrofit jobs, remove the lock cover to inspect internal harness routing and confirm there is no contact with sharp edges. And if you see exposed conductors, replace or re-terminate them using proper insulated terminals. Finally, after final fastening, perform a full operational test, including battery backup and fail-safe modes, while cycling the door several dozen times so you catch intermittent faults before completing the job. Common mistakes include placing reinforcement plates so they overlap the lock cavity, which can pinch wires and block sensor fields. The quick fix is to offset the plate by a few millimeters and recheck clearances. Another frequent issue is bundling power and data lines with mains power, which leads to noise and unpredictable behavior. Separate the runs, add ferrite beads if needed, and retest the system for stable operation. A third problem is skipping a post-installation functional test and commissioning step, which lets intermittent faults go unnoticed. Always run through every user function, simulate power loss, and observe lock behavior under repeated door cycles. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and view community discussions about installing electronic locks and related hardware. We connect contractors seeking work with homeowners and maintain a discussion community where installers share practical tips and troubleshooting experience.